Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review in a install go through the motions process video, and it's going to be featuring this hair that I have on my head. It's from BGmGirl hair. Why I always record when the traffic is heavy. Anywho, this is a cute little bob frontal number, and I think you guys are going to love it. Today is day 2, so I just do this little cute hat on or whatever, but I want you guys to see the first impressions in the install process and everything, and I'm going to give you guys details via voiceover. So if you guys are interested in learning more about this unit, which is super affordable, then go ahead and stay tuned. And by the way, if you guys are curious to learn more about this hair, I will leave any coupon codes that I have along with a direct link to BGmGirl hair in my description box, and of course a direct link to this wig. So let's get into it. With this particular wig, I did not bleach the knots or anything, so I used that foundation by NYX that I showed you guys in the beginning. So I have 2 cons when it comes to this wig. One is the lace is light, but that's an easy fix. You can use your foundation or lace tint, and look, just go right over it like you see me doing right now, and everything will melt in nicely. So that's not a major con at all. My second con is this wig does have a lot, and I do mean a lot, of flyaways. Right here in this clip, you see me trying to decipher if I want a side part or a middle part, which leads me into the next thing that I wanted to talk about. This is BMGgirl hair Brazilian straight 13x4 lace front wig. I have it in the length of 10 inches. And it is 250% density. Now, do you guys see how natural this wig looks? I'm thinking about cutting my natural hair, and this wig is giving me all the feels of exactly how I want my hair to look when I do decide to cut it. So if you're interested in purchasing this wig, if you want my exact specs, which I will link everything down below in the description box, this wig is starting at $88 for the exact wig that I have on. But wait, your girl has a coupon code. Use OhSo 805 to save you some coins, sis. You cannot beat a human hair lace frontal wig for under $100. And this isn't my first time working with BMGgirl hair, so I can tell you that they do have nice quality hair. The only thing that I want you to keep in mind is the 2 cons that I mentioned before. So make an educated guess. Check out some more reviews on this wig. And if you like what you see and what you hear, I'll say that BMGgirl hair is a great investment. You guys seen that quick application? It took a little second, in real time, but it was effortless to style. I love me a good bob wig, And keep in mind, you can wear this wig parted in a middle part or side part, wherever you want. It's a 13x4 frontal wig. So go ahead and let me know your thoughts down below. This is one of those units that's perfect for year round. I absolutely love the texture of this wig. It's nice and silky, but it's not artificial looking at all. I'm loving it. And you see the vibes, sis. Do you see the vibes? Don't forget to check out BMGgirl hair, and be sure to use my coupon code if you want to make a purchase. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.